Let's go get them. Get some pictures.
Oh.
Let's just step out and see if that one. Is that the one we were doing? That's a big beard. Nice big spurs.
Good deal.
Holy cow. And he broke one off. That one's
Oh yeah.
nice.
Fighter.
Nice work.
Thank you. Oh,
So you said did you see him come over the hill?
I did. I'm watching the hen come, right?
Yeah.
Because
She came out there.
when you pointed, so I'm like, okay, there's got to be something coming. All of a sudden, when she got, kind of mulling around, I just was scanning, and he come right straight from that edge of the tree, straight over the hill, all spread out, running down the hill. That was, watching him come in, I'm like, ooh, he's mad. Oh, beautiful. That's a nice looking bird.
Yeah, it is. Why don't you get in there? Let's get him on the stump and get a few pictures. Hobby Outdoors here, and we just had a successful hunt, and Eric got on his first bird. We set up and we saw these birds last night. Didn't know exactly where they roosted, but we knew they were kind of cornered amongst this. There's a river that runs behind us, so we knew they couldn't go too far. So we set up in here, got in early, and we heard gobbles in every direction, and they really shut down. This is the first season here in Minnesota, and it really turned off when it kind of got to prime time. So we didn't know where they were. They were coming in silent. We were trying to look around through the tree row a little bit and didn't see anything. So starting to question what we should do, where we should go, and looked over and saw a hen coming in, and she saw these avian X's, just outstanding decoys, and came right over. She slowly worked her way over, and probably a couple minutes after I saw her, there's a little mound over here that this tom came over, and it was completely behind the tree I was hiding behind. So Eric, well,
He came over the hill. I was watching the hen, and as he came over the hill, he just came in full strut, run right at the hill, straight at me. And when he got here, he had to turn, so it gave me the opportunity to pull up on him, and he started to attack the decoy, and I took my shot.
I heard the spit and the drumming, and like, what in the world? Because I had only seen that hen come in. So maybe on the film you'll be able to hear me say, no, don't shoot. I thought it was a hen. I'm looking side to side behind the tree, and the whole time he was behind that tree. So it was kind of funny how that all went. Eric pulled up, I saw that, and I'm like, oh, no, wait, it's a hen, is what I thought.
Yep.
But I heard him whacking the decoy, but we've had hens do that too. So these decoys are just outstanding. Can't say enough about them. We've had them flare on other ones,
Yep.
but these, they definitely think they're real. So this is not the way I had them set up. So he got funked and whacked pretty good. So yeah, again, just get out there, get the right decoys, use different calls. I was using this guy, and I don't know if they were coming into this. They'd kind of been working their way over through some oak brush, but yeah, Steve was working a couple pot calls, a ceramic and an aluminum, and those are maybe what sealed the deal. That's what we were calling with last, so maybe that's what brought him in lastly. But switch up your calls, use the right decoys, and just get as close without disturbing them on the roost. Good luck out there.
It's like a short Dolly Parton running down the hill.